Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, what's top of mind is the critical importance of metrics, tracking your progress and performance versus key goals. Why is this important? Well, anytime I look across clients of different company sizes, industries, geographies, and they all have something key in common, pay attention. So, in this case, we have a client that is supporting data centers. So, the key metric here is sales pipeline and conversion and what that means in terms of the ability to scale practically. Second client is looking at on-time delivery and service, so the right inventory in the right place at the right time. And the third client is looking at SIOP, sales inventory operations planning, so aligning demand with supply and making key decisions. And how do they tie that with weekly financial metrics that can provide meaningful information to business leaders, such as tracking revenue? What should we be taking away? Think about starting to track key metrics. Don't track dozens of them, it's meaningless. Instead, look for one or two, start small, and find something that's going to provide a practical insight so that you can make some critical decisions.